Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So I'm again back with a new video. So this video will be very informative for you all, so try to understand what I'm trying to tell you all. So in today's video I'm going to draw that how to draw perfect levels. Okay, so this is the topic. So let's start and try to understand what I'm trying to tell you all. So I will only draw the lines here that will help you all to understand what I am trying to tell you all. So now you can see here, this is the chart right now which we are having here. So if I want to ask you all that you need to draw a level is support and resistance. So the first thing what you need to do, you can see this black line, this is the closing price, this is the closing price of this bearish candle. So if you are having a very big wick, then try to avoid that big wick. Try to set the line with the opening price or the smallest wick of the next candle. So now you can see buyers entered here. Okay, so you can see here I have set this line with the closing price and with the opening price. So now you can see when market came to this level, buyers entered again. Okay, so now if I want to ask you that you need to draw a resistance here, so what will be your answer? You can see this is the closing price of the bullish candle. Now there is a very big gap down opening, so set the line here and try to drag the line and try to set the line like this. And now you can see when market reach this level, you can see again sellers enter. So this is the resistance level. You need to draw it like this with the opening price and with the with the closing price and with the next opening price of the candle. If there is a big wick, try to avoid and make it with the body of the candlestick. So let me show you the next level here. Okay, now you can see this is the closing price. So here, which wick is the biggest one? Now you can see the bullish candlestick wick is a bigger one, so you need to set the line like this with the closing price of the bearish candle with the low price. You need to connect it like this. Now if you draw the level like this, you can see when market reaching this level, you can get here a winning trade. So now you can see here in this zone, this was a, you can see here this was a level here. Okay, so after this closing price, you can see here there is a very big gap up opening. So you need to draw the level like this, and now you can see when market is reaching this level and momentum is getting the weaker one, so you can get here a bullish candle. So it is not that much hard to understand. You need to take your trades like this if you really want to win, but try to avoid gap up opening market. Okay, try to avoid this one. So if there is a gap up opening, so always try to avoid, because it can make your trade a worse trade. But I am telling you all that what's going on here. So now you can see here, if I want to draw a level here, you can see here, you can easily see here, this is the next level. Okay, and right now what I'm seeing here, if I really want to draw a line here, so I need to connect it like this, closing price. Now I need to set it with this area. Now you will see, if a candle closes here, I will take my trade. Okay, now there is no opportunity. Okay, right now I am not seeing any opportunity. So if you're really willing to go with the buyers, you need to draw the levels like this. And then what you need to do, if the market comes down and crosses this area, I will take my trade. Okay, I will wait here. Okay, so no issues. Now you can easily see here one thing, that level is here, level is here, or the level is here. So this is very much clear to you all. So now you can see here, you are getting here a bullish candle. So you need to draw a line like this. Okay, so again you can see still market can, okay, I can go here with the margin of safety. Now you will see here a winning trade. Why? Because you can see here so many rejections. You can see these rejections. It is a sign that in this zone sellers are very strong. So if you want to go here with the margin of safety and you can take your trade, you can easily win, because market will give a rejection at least from this zone. So I have taken this trade here. When market broke the level, I took my trade by seeing the rejection. So now you can see here, I will definitely win this trade. Okay, market is still trying to go down. Okay, so I won this trade, you can see. So this is the way that you can draw your levels. You can identify the situation. Now if you analyze the market here, you can see market is moving in this zone. So it can move up and it can break the level, or it can move down from this point. So be careful and try to understand the market movement. Okay, so now you can see here, market is exactly coming at the level. Now it is crossing the level here. Now if you want to analyze this market, you can see here, this is the level of consideration. So now you can see market broke the level. Now I need to wait, because this candle broke this trend line. You can see I have drawn here a trend line. Now I can get here a clear situation about the trading setup. So let's see. Okay, so it is a complete support and resistance. You can easily see that it broke this trend line. You can see here, this is a retracement candle going on in the market. So I will wait here. Now I need to wait to get a clear situation. So okay, market is still trying to make here a bullish candle. Okay, so I will wait. Okay, so now you can see here market closed here. Okay, if the market goes up, I will take my trade here in a down direction 100%. So I need a good situation to go with the sellers. and after this trade I will tell you that why I took this trade, but I need a good clear shot, so I need to wait here. Okay, market is trying to go down. Now you can see here, you can see this line, market closed here. Now from this point what I am seeing here, if you really want to understand, try to understand like this. Now you can see here, this is the level. You can see buyers, sellers. So this is a clear support and resistance. So I was waiting here. Okay, I can go here with the sellers. Now you can see this is a momentum, but the last candle at the level is a very weak buyers. It means that the buyers who were strong there, now they are weak here, so sellers will go down. So let's see what happens here. Here you can see a smile on the faces of the buyers, but now you can see they are weak in health, in every kind of aspect. So sellers will enter and they will make this candle a bearish candle. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so you can see again I got a winning trade, but still what I am seeing here, a weakness in the sellers. So you can see momentum is going on, but if you take your trade with the margin of safety, it will be also good for you all and you can easily win your trades. Now you can see here, let me show you here the situation. So luckily I won that trade, but I need to analyze it more. Now you can see here, this is the support and resistance. Okay, so this is a very strong level, so you can consider this one. Now you can see market closed. Okay, now you can see market is getting the rejection and still it is at that area, so you can expect here a seller's entry from this point. Why? Because sellers entered here, buyers entered here, sellers entered here, so it means that this is a SNR. So you need to analyze the market like this. I took 2 trades and I won both of them. So let me see. Okay, so I have changed the pair. Now you can see here, if I really want to draw a level, so I can draw it like this. Okay, now you can see here. Okay, so I can go here again with the sellers easily. I have taken a trade. Why? I have 2 reasons here to go with the sellers. So let me show you those reasons. So now you can see here, you can see this is a candle which broke the level, a trend line level, again a strong candle. It is showing the strongness of the sellers, still they are in the market, so it means that they will not reverse back unless sellers became weak. So on the left side you can see there is no level, you can see there is no buyers, there is no sellers in this zone. So therefore I took my trade, and now you will see here a winning trade, 110%. So let's see. Okay, it has to close below our entry point. Okay, now you can see I won this trade. So this is the way that you can easily take your trades. I am not seeing the past that much. I am showing you all the real factors, and I will try to explain you all that how you can take your trades and how you can draw your levels and how you can get a good percentage, good winning ratio. So if you are losing one or two trades, there is no need to worry. You can get a maximum winning trades by seeing the market like this. So I showed each and every situation in front of you all. So let me try to explain you all again the points. Okay, now okay, let me show you here. Okay, I need a good market situation. Okay, now here, if I really want to ask you that what is the real support and resistance in this chart, so you can easily say that this is the resistance, this is the support. Now how you will draw the level? Now you can see market closed here, you can see this bearish candlestick closing price. Now there is a very big wick, so try to avoid this one, connect it with this area. Now you can see this is the buyer's area, this is the level. So now if I want to ask you that what is the resistance, you can see the closing price, then the opening price. If there is a very big gap, try to okay, so what you need to do here, you need to draw a level. Okay, so let me show you again. So now you can see here, I was trying to tell you this one, that if you really want to draw a level, a support, you can draw it like this. And if you really want to draw a level, you need to start from the closing price and you need to connect it with the opening price of the bearish candle. And if there is a very huge gap, try to avoid the big wicks, try to make it like this. Now you can see if I drag this area, you can see still we are getting here a seller's entry. So at this zone you can see here, this is the level. When market is reaching this area, you can see again sellers entered. Okay, so this is the way you can easily draw the levels. So I have shown you all that how you can draw the levels, and now you can see if my levels were wrong. You can see each and every rejection is coming exactly from those levels which I have drawn. You can see here, you can see here, you can see here, you can see here, rejections are coming from these levels. It means that now you can see this is the next level. You can see exactly from the line we are getting the rejections. It means that your levels are accurate, your levels are perfect, so there is no need to worry about the trading setups. So now you can see market is trying to go down, and if I want to ask you again that what is the level here, you can draw it like this. Simple is that. You can see a seller's entry again, you can see a rejection from the buyers. So this is very much easy to understand. And on the left side, this is the level. You can get here a bullish candle again. So let's see, you can see here. Okay, let me show you here. Okay, so closing price, and I will try to connect it here with this one, with this wick. So now you can see market closed here, market closed exactly at this area. But you need to always remember one thing here, that if you are getting the strong candles, the strong candles means that sellers are very much in control, then you need to be very careful while you take your trades. You can see still sellers are giving us a rejection from those levels. You can see here sellers are strong, so therefore market will not respect in this situation because sellers are making the power here, and this momentum broke the level. So this is the way that you can draw your levels. Try to learn what I am trying to tell you all and try to practice it a lot, because it will help you all and you will get a very good results if you take your trades like this. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram. You can join our channel Trading Skills, and you can join also our Telegram group Trading Skills. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed weekend ahead. Bye for now, and try to help each other. I was busy, therefore I was unable to reply you all that much. So now you can see I have shown you the easiest and the simplest way to understand the levels, and I took trades in front of you all. You can see here, this is the biggest example here. Market broke here this trend line. This is a breakout. Again is strong sellers entry. Again the same thing what happened here. Sellers were strong, so therefore I went with the sellers. So this is the confirmation that sellers will continue, and now you can see I won this trade. The same situation and same thing happened here. You can see market broke these levels 1 2 3, but now at this area sellers were strong, so therefore sellers entered. But now you can see market closed here at this level. So what you can expect here, so let me show you here one thing. Okay, you can see here market is right now making here lower lows, so you need to find an opportunity here to go with the sellers by seeing here the levels. So let me show you here a clear situation. Okay, now you can see on the left side, you can see here, this is the left side of your chart. You can see here. Now what I am seeing here, I am seeing here the reversals. What I am seeing here, I am seeing here that from exactly these points sellers entered here. So because of that this level will work, and now you can easily see that if you analyze the market like this, you will be in profit. You can see here market went up so high, but it got the rejection, and because of this support and resistance, market will give you here a bearish candle. So this is the way that you can easily draw the levels. Try to draw the levels like this. Try to share in the group and try to communicate with other members and try to help each other, so it will be very good for you all. So at least give one day to these things. You will be very helpful for others, and you will also very helpful for yourself, and you can improve your trading skills. So again, stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now.